Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Fusion. Once you are in DaVinci Resolve, navigating to the Fusion page is simple. Just click its icon at the bottom of the interface. This dedicated workspace allows you to build intricate visual effects and motion graphics using its unique node-based system. It is a robust environment, perfect for crafting everything from animated text to advanced compositing, giving you immense creative control over your projects. The core of Fusion's power lies in its node-based workflow, which differs greatly from traditional layer systems. Instead of stacking layers, you connect individual processing tools, called nodes, in a logical flowchart. This method allows for non-destructive editing and easier management of complex visual effects. You can visualize every step of your composite, making it incredibly flexible and powerful for detailed work. Fusion offers a vast array of tools, but some are absolutely essential for any beginner. The Merge node is your go-to for combining different elements, such as text over video, ensuring everything blends seamlessly. For dynamic text, the Text Plus node provides incredible control over animation, styling, and three-dimensional depth. You will find yourself using these, along with various mask and transform nodes, in nearly every composite you create. To start building your first Fusion composition, try a straightforward task like animating a basic title card. Connect your text node to a Merge node, then route that to your media out, ensuring a clear flow. Remember, consistent practice and exploring the vast effects library will rapidly enhance your proficiency. Do not be afraid to experiment. Every connection teaches you more about this incredibly deep and rewarding environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.